Hey, it's Ann hopping on here. So I wanted to talk about the Type 1 Diabetes TrialNet. So it is a organization that is trying to eliminate type 1 diabetes, or at least slow down the progression of it. So as we all know, it's an autoimmune disease, and once you get two autoantibodies to it, you're going to eventually develop type 1 diabetes. So there's different stages. There's 3 stages of type 1 diabetes. So the first one is having the antibodies. The second one is you start to get abnormal glucose levels, but you don't really have symptoms. And then the third stage is you have symptoms and you often get admitted to the hospital in diabetic ketoacidosis, or DKA. And that's exactly what happened to me. The autoantibodies have attacked your body's beta cells that make insulin. So anyhow, when I found out about this study, because for me, I don't have anybody in my family that has a history of type 1 diabetes that I'm aware of. Type 2, yes, that's lifestyle, but type 1, no. So that's why I was totally caught off guard by it all. So when I found out about this, I went back and forth. I'm like, oh, do I want my kids tested? Do I want to know? Don't I want to know, right? It's kind of one of those things. And I decided to proceed with testing for my kids. Obviously, I had them agree to it. So my son, Max, who was 11 at the time, decided to do it. And you have 2 options. You can either go in person if you're close to a testing center to have your blood drawn, or they will send you a kit at home, a home testing kit. And they're looking to see if you have any of those autoantibodies. So we did the home kit, and it was very straightforward. We did the test, and then you mail it back through FedEx, and then they send you results. So to me, anything I can do to help with research or prevention, or eventually to eliminate the disease, I think is great. So we did opt in for it. And of course, then I was looking into other trials that I might be eligible for as a newly diagnosed type 1 diabetic. Any of you that have the disease or have a relative with the disease, you most likely will be eligible for this testing. So definitely check out Type 1 Diabetes TrialNet. And you can help with prevention, or hopefully eventually elimination of this disease.